Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Full iPhone 18 lineup revealed ahead of launch, variable aperture camera to get thicker. A recent leak of iPhone 18, 18 Pro, and 18 Pro Max cases reveals an unchanged design for the base model and hints at increased thickness for the Pro lineup. Unfortunately, it appears that the iPhone 17 Pro cases will not fit the new iPhone 18 Pro. Let's dive into the full video for full details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. After seeing the first leaks of iPhone 18 Pro cases, we now have an image showing protective cases for the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and, surprisingly, the vanilla iPhone 18. New reports claim that iPhone 18 lineup revealed ahead of launch, variable aperture camera to get thicker. It's unclear why the iPhone 18 case made it onto this list, given that it's expected to launch in spring 2027, thanks to Apple's presumed new release strategy. Unless plans have changed, for the record, we haven't seen any leaked iPhone 18 renders or design models, unlike the Pro iPhone. In any case, the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max cases raise expectations that the design language will remain virtually identical to its predecessor, the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. However, the 18 Pro lineup is expected to see minor physical changes, according to the leak. Specifically, the Pro models may become slightly thicker to accommodate the new 48-megapixel camera system with variable aperture. As we get closer to the September reveal, it's becoming increasingly likely that, while Apple is sticking with the same aesthetics, internal hardware changes may require minor sizing adjustments, meaning iPhone 17 Pro cases won't fit the iPhone 18 Pro. What are the key specifications for the iPhone 18 lineup? The new iPhones 2026 will get Apple's A20 and A20 Pro chipsets, built on TSMC's advanced 2nm process technology, which is rumored to deliver a 15% performance boost, 12 GB of RAM across the lineup to keep up with new Apple Intelligence features. Smaller selfie camera cutout, a refined dynamic island with a smaller size, thanks to hidden sensor technology. Upgraded Pro camera with variable aperture main lens for the Pro series, possibly a larger main camera sensor. The iPhone 18 Pro is rumored to be dropping cosmic orange, in favor of a deep wine red color called dark cherry. Furthermore, iOS 27 with Apple Intelligence and the new Siri will be included. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.